can't stop doing it anymore. That's the secret to the easiest and most delicious salad. Here I'm using half a small cabbage and I will start cutting this way, into smaller pieces. After cutting the cabbage, pass everything into a container. Then add 1 grated carrot, half onion cut into a slice, chives to taste, 1 can of 200 grams of tuna, now mix everything very well. After mixing, set aside next to it. In another container, add 200 grams of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 100 ml of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix everything. Pour all this mixture on top of the salad. This cream gets a super special flavor. Mix the salad with the cream. After mixing, your salad is ready, perfect for your lunch or dinner. She looks amazing and can't resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.